Jaws 3 and 4. That's right, we're finally to the worst and the best Jaws sequel. It's really strange. So again, I'm going to show you what I have here. This is the 4K of the original Jaws, and then this is the 3-pack that has all 3 Jaws movies. Now, I enjoy this 3-pack. I think the only issue I have with this is Jaws 3 is the worst one on this Blu-ray set. And the reason why it's so bad is because this. Jaws 3 was, when it first came out, was Jaws 3D. And the original way they would do 3D is like you have to have the glasses. Now, you still have to, but they were very different. So like, it'd linger on shots, but if you had 3D glasses, things would be popping out at you. It would be very different. Well, when Jaws hit television, VHS, DVD, it didn't come with that. And so a lot of moments in Jaws 3 look very strange for that reason, because they used the gimmick over making a good movie. Now, Jaws 3 is I really love because it's a lot of fun. This is a movie about a killer shark at SeaWorld. That's a lot of fun. They do a lot of fun things with that, and it's super entertaining. It's not a good movie, but again, going back to the 3-pack, when they put Jaws 3 on Blu-ray, it came with 3D glasses, so you could actually watch in 3D. Now, these are not included in the set, which is unfortunate, because if you don't watch it in 3D, it's significantly worse. It's not a bad movie by watching it just by itself without the 3D, but it's not as good with the 3D. And then you also have Jaws 4 here, which, let's talk about Jaws 4. Jaws 4 is terrible. It's the crying shark movie. That's what I call it. Because that's what a lot of this movie is. It's just crying. And shark. It's just a lot of crying in this movie. That's what this movie's about. They do a lot of crying. It's called Jaws the Revenge. The shark wants revenge on the Brody family for killing all of its buddies in the first 2 Jaws movies. And this really doesn't have anything to do with the third one, which is kind of weird because Jaws 3 is the kind of weird left out one in this set of movies. But yeah, it's a really fun movie, the third one. And even the second one, I could argue, is a little bit fun. But like 4 is terrible because it's just boring. The plot doesn't make any sense, and you don't even get to see the shark majority of the movie. Just a terrible movie. So yeah, I mean, the Jaws movies, the first one is incredible, one of the greatest films ever made, one of the greatest achievements in film history. I mean, it's Jaws. And the rest are just all downfalls from there. They're just great. These are all really fun movies to watch. I think Jaws 4 is so bad it's good, but I think it's still not a good movie. But yeah, all fun movies, all a good time. Loved the Jaws franchise.